Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. Despite the prices you might have seen with related to XRP in the last month or so, you might have seen, hey, the prices are not looking that good, and it is all thanks to not just this Ripple lawsuit, but obviously the overall sentiment of their crypto world. And in a lot of my videos, I have talked about this, and I've talked about how important the overall sentiment of the crypto world is, not just related to XRP, but obviously the entire crypto world, and that is going to be what is affecting the price of XRP. And I've seen some comments in the comment section saying that, hey, you know what, we are getting some amazing news related to this Ripple lawsuit, but the price does not move. So today you might have seen the exact example of what this is, and that is why we saw a really increase in a lot of crypto prices today, even though we did not really get some amazing news related to this Ripple lawsuit, or Ripple did not win this at the moment, but things are looking pretty good for XRP ahead. In fact, Nasdaq put out an article talking about how the Wall Street is actually looking at XRP, and it is very interested in that. Not only that, there is coming a report directly from Tranglo, and that is they are really interested and they are going to be bringing out a product and service related to XRP. Things are looking very good despite this the legal saga. Things are looking very positive for XRP as we move forward, and in today's video we will be looking at this. But obviously we have to talk about the prices of XRP and pretty much why are we seeing such an increase in the prices of XRP in a lot of crypto today. Crypto prices were really good today, and this was all thanks and led by Bitcoin. Bitcoin crossed quite a bit of some major hurdles today, and that is why it increased by more than 10%. And talking about XRP here, XRP compared to yesterday, it is up by 9%, and compared to 1 week ago it is up by 15%. So things are looking pretty good, but we have to see if this can be sustained. Now if you're talking about the daily chart here, we saw the low point around $0.59, and since then it has been on an increase. And talking about the daily summary here, the daily summary, it has shifted to a buy position, and if you compared it to a couple of days back, it was at a neutral. Then even last week it was at a strong sell, but it is really good to see that moving averages is at a neutral, and technical indicators are saying it is a strong buy, and RSI it is at a buy position. Now talking about the weekly position, the summary here, it is at a sell. Now if you compare this to only a couple of days back, the summary was a strong sell, but it has shifted to just a sell, and as RSI it is at a neutral position. And talking about the monthly chart here, the summary, it is at a neutral point, which is actually kind of expected, and the RSI it is also at a neutral point. To move this monthly chart, we need quite a lot of time, and we need to see some major momentum with the prices. And if you're talking about if this can be sustained, XRP price has to be above $0.67. It has to sustain this $0.67 if we are going to see a rally for XRP, but it seems that there are some major hurdles in its way. But if you're now not talking specifically about XRP and talking about the overall crypto world here, the reason why we saw some massive increases in the crypto world today, and was thanks to the news, the really good news coming out of Amazon. And this was an insider information who said that Amazon might be accepting Bitcoin and 8 other very popular cryptocurrencies by the end of this year for its payment solutions. That was absolutely a huge news, and that is what set the prices on an upwards trajectory. So we are expecting and we are looking at, hey, can this be sustained? And if we do see the price of Bitcoin cross that $40,000 barrier, we can expect altcoins out there, including XRP, to rally by more than 100 to 150%, which would be absolutely amazing, and something I'm pretty sure a lot of XRP investors, not just XRP investors, but pretty much a crypto investor, would be really happy to see. So let's see how the things are going to be moving forward. Now let's talk about this really interesting report coming out of Nasdaq, and who have basically said that, hey, Wall Street, it seems to be interested in XRP, which is a pretty big thing to say, because I mean, yes, a lot of people in the crypto world, they are saying that XRP is the banker's coin, and to see things like this, I think to some XRP investors out there, they might not be surprised to see some news coming like this from Wall Street itself. They put it, at present, a large number of financial institutions utilize the Ripple network. The platform has a network of over 300 providers across 50 countries. More businesses have been signing to use it for faster payments and remittance. Therefore, once the lawsuit is somehow settled, XRP could easily reach new highs. And this is something pretty much including myself and the overall XRP community have been saying for quite some time, that there is a chance. And if you ask some people in the XRP community, they would be like, it's 100%, but nothing is 100% in the world of crypto, that XRP can actually reach and cross its all-time high position of $3.84 if we see the settlement with the SEC, and if the settlement is in favor of Ripple. And so seeing something like this coming out of Nasdaq is definitely good news. And they put it, many crypto analysts believe digital currencies will be accepted increasingly in the coming years. Thus, the growth of tokens like Ripple seems inevitable. However, the legal dilemma currently restrains XRP from starting a new bull leg. Now, I do agree with this statement, but if you're comparing XRP to the start of this year, and do keep in mind that at the start of this year, Ripple and XRP, they were still under this SEC radar, and they were under this lawsuit, and even now they still are. But if you're comparing this to the start, XRP has increased by more than 200%, which I think it pretty much beats any stock out there. So seeing something like this is definitely good, but we need this settlement if we want to see XRP touch new all-time highs. And they even put it, but if you're an investor with a 2-year to 3-year horizon, you could consider having an exposure below 60 cents. If RippleNet increases its partnerships with global financial institutions and or solves a legal issue with SEC, it is likely to continue creating value for XRP investors. This is definitely true, but I do want to make a clear distinction here, that RippleNet is a service which does not use XRP. It is the on-demand liquidity which uses XRP. So there is a distinction here. But obviously what Ripple wants to do is it wants to shift its customers from RippleNet to ODL so they can see the benefits of XRP for cross-border payments, which would be absolutely amazing. But before going into the future, that far into the future, we need this lawsuit to be settled. And from what we are seeing, things are looking very, very good for Ripple and XRP, especially in the last week or so when we received this bombshell of a detail coming from the SEC themselves. That was definitely a huge news, a very positive news for Ripple and XRP. And also, I'll be linking that in the description box below for you guys to check it out. So make sure you do that. Now moving on to some other really good news related to XRP, and that is Tranglo, which is Asia's leading cross-border payment hub. It has announced that they are going to be bringing a service that is related to XRP. Now, for those folks out there who don't know, Ripple is actually one of the partners backing Tranglo, and I think they own, it was a 40% stake in Tranglo. So obviously we were expecting to see some feature that will be related to XRP for remittance and cross-border payments. So they have officially announced that they are bringing something like this, although they have not given a time frame for when it will be announced, but saying that they have tweeted out, I am pretty sure it will be in the coming weeks. And I was obviously be making a video on that and obviously talking about that. So today was a it was a very good day for the world of crypto and obviously for XRP itself. And if you're talking about the future here, we have the William Hinman deposition in the next couple of days, which is something very, very interesting. And I'm pretty sure that is going to affect this lawsuit. And I will obviously be making a video on that. Well guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you have any comments or thoughts regarding today's video, please do comment below and let me know what are your thoughts. And obviously if you like it, make sure to give it a like as well, and if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing as it helps out a lot. And as always, thank you for watching this, and I will see you next time.